Hey friend, this is Eric from Miller Music, and today we are talking about delay pedals, and specifically 4 ways to use delay to get amazing tone. I'm going to be using the Walrus ARP-87. I recently rebuilt my pedal board. I wanted to get a smaller pedal board so I could just be easier to move around. I play on my worship team as well as a band. It's just something more portable. So I chose this pedal. Mainly because it's smaller, but also because it has a tap tempo on it, and it has the 4 delay settings that I want to talk about today, which is digital delay, analog delay, slapback delay, and modulated delay. So these are the 4 kind of delay settings you're going to be hearing a lot of genres of music. So what I want to do is just play those for you today, show you how to set them up, and so you can hear some of the sounds. You can use most delay pedals will cover that, but I would recommend getting one with a tap tempo feature. But this one does sound great. So this is the Walrus ARP-87. All right, let's jump into the topic for today. Okay, so the first setting for delay is the digital delay setting that I want to talk about. And when I think of digital delay, it's a very crisp, kind of clean delay that's really good for like doing rhythmic delay with the tap tempo feature. So this is like a typical thing you might hear like the Edge or U2 play with their delay settings. So again, very clean, very crisp kind of delay sounds. So I would use those for more rhythmic patterns with that. For the analog delay settings, these are going to be more for a warmer kind of delay tone. You could kind of have this on generally in the background when you're playing, or for solos it works really great. So let's check that out. So if I put some distortion on it, and then for more lead work, it sounds really good just to get a bigger kind of delay sound. Okay, so the third type of delay is more of a slapback delay, and you get kind of that country sound, that slapback vibe. Sounds something like this. Okay, so the fourth type of delay is a modulated delay, and this kind of delay is used when you are actually detuning. It takes the delay and it detunes it a little bit from the original signal. So it's used a lot in kind of like lo-fi music or even some ambient jazz tones. So this is what that sounds like. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you would, please download my free guide, Great Guitar Tone Checklist. And what this is it gives you 5 simple steps you can apply immediately to your guitar playing and your guitar tone without purchasing any new gear, and it will help improve your tone by just doing some simple things to your guitar setup. All right, so I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.